You too. You too. Okay, lady in there, right there. Right there. Good.
Two things. I want to say to Jane Lynch, we're from Homewood, so neighborhoods down there. And I want to thank the whole cast. My daughter's here with me, but they moved her up here. She's a high school student. She has a disability. She has cystic fibrosis. It's a genetic disease, and she's had a lot of trouble. Been in the hospital a lot of. She's going to kill me for saying any of this too. A lot of fitting in issues, and your show has just really. I mean, she watches it over in the hospital over and over and over to realize that this is her here in the purple up here in the middle. So, I mean, it's like the first thing where she's had a lot of trouble with singing and acting because her stamina isn't there, and she's always wanted to do it. And, to see that you guys are people that don't necessarily fit in, and you've been able to, I'm going to stop before I cry, though, because then I really...
What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Because your mom's speaking for you. What do you want to say?
I want to say thank you so much. I was in the hospital for almost the entire first season of Glee while it aired, and I would watch the episodes as they came online, and I watched them any night that I could, and it was wonderful. It was a way for me to get away from that, and it was inspirational, and it was just it was great, and I just want to say thank you so much.
Here, over a moment. Why don't you get a picture with the cast? How's that? Why don't you stand here and we'll get a big picture with you? You get, okay, if the cast will say we'll get a picture right here with you. Yeah.
Wipe your tears and smile.
Wipe your tears and smile. That's great. That's great. That's great. You're Glee. Go ahead.